Okay. Hi everyone. Thanks for being on the stream. I'm gonna be starting today's game development with Unreal Engine stream right now. Just gonna give a bit of context of what I'm doing. This is what I'm gonna do at the beginning of every stream, for any new people that are watching the recording or the stream. So I'm currently working on my own game, Spaceman Memories. This is a JRPG based in Japan about a spaceman, about an astronaut that comes back from a mission in space to recover his own memories while he fights against ancient Japanese spirits. So yeah, there it is. That's what Spaceman Memories is. And also I'm working on a project called a personal learning project, year-long learning project called the Unreal Engine Proficiency Project. This is an ultra learning project in which I will be sharing the process of which are the best ways to become proficient in a quick but intense way in Unreal Engine, while I share the resources and everything related to that. So last time we left here on this green world, which I've been working on through the stream. This world was started from scratch, so we had a starting point and we could walk here. So I'm just gonna show a bit of what I'm talking about, and then I'm gonna start working on some of the stuff that I have in mind today that I want to build today. So yeah, there it is. We start walking. The train just left us on the train station, and we come here, and yeah, we're definitely gonna have some battles here. I will be working on some of the battle system on the weekend, on Saturday and on Sunday. So yeah, that's it. And we walk here and we've got a small town. Okay. Whoa. Let me see. First I'm gonna start fixing some of these models. I'm gonna start fixing the models of the pagodas, because I really don't like how the textures are looking, and I gotta fix some of the stuff related to that. But yeah, here it is. Basically, this is what I'm talking about, what I've been building from scratch just on 2 days on the stream. So yeah, you can make really good progress here on Unreal Engine if you have the assets built by yourself or you bought them, whatever. Also, we've got our friend Chromo. Thanks for being here. Very happy to have you here. I'm stoked. Thanks for your comment. Really appreciate it, Chromo. Thanks for hanging around. Hope you like everything that we're gonna be working today. Thanks. So yeah, there it is. Let me just go. I really need to fix this thing about these pagodas, because I've been working with an incorrect. I'm gonna fire up A Sprite and I'm gonna fire up Crocodile 3D, which are my go-to software for pixel art and for 3D modeling. Okay, so yeah, let me open up the whoa. Okay. Where was this the one? Yeah, this is the one. So what I'm gonna do is I really need to use like the same tile set, like the same texture for the whole lower structure of that pagoda. I shouldn't be using different tile sets. So I'm gonna go and fix that. Okay, so let me just find some of this stuff. Nah, that's not the one. That is the roof. Okay, pagoda side and pagoda front. Yeah, I shouldn't be using to make my life easier to build this kind of stuff. I shouldn't be using different tile sets for the same mesh, because these are very simple meshes. Doesn't make any sense. So yeah, I'm gonna fix this. I'm just gonna go onto the canvas size. Gonna multiply the height. Yeah, 48 by 2. This would be I really suck at math, so my brain just went. Where's the... Yeah, no, that's not. Yeah, so sorry for this. I'm just waking up. So yeah, my brain is on slow mode still. Whoa. What am I doing? Times 2. There it is. That's 96. Okay, obviously. Yeah, this is the 40 96. Yeah, let me just... Yeah, so yes, I was saying I'm just waking up. Maybe it's later for you where you live, or no, or not. Maybe you live in a place where it's earlier than where I live. So yeah, I just woke up at around 5 a.m. It's 5:35 where I live. So yeah, my brain is just getting into productive mode. So yeah, that's why I was very lame, very slow with that math there. So yeah, this is what we need. I'm gonna copy and paste this here. Okay, so yeah, this gives me the flexibility of having everything in the same tile set. This is what I should have been doing from the beginning. So I'm gonna save up this one. I got a front. Yeah, this should be 2. I think so. This should be 2. Pagoda front. Nah, this should be pagoda. How should I name it? Structure. Yeah, this is the lower structure. Yeah, besides the roof. So yeah, I'm gonna bring it up to crocodile. And this is what I need. Okay, so I'm gonna fix this here. This is the same texture I was using previously. I'm just fixing the UVs. Yeah, that's what I'm fixing. The UVs, the wrapping of the texture. So I just use one texture and not 2 textures for a structure that really doesn't need that. So if you're watching, thank you very much for watching. Really appreciate wherever you are. If you're on X, if you're on Twitch, or YouTube. I also started streaming on Kick just today, so I'm just testing out how Kick works. Haven't used it before, and today is the first day. So if you're watching on Kick too, thank you very much for watching. Really appreciate it. So we'll see how it goes, right? We'll see how everything goes with any of the of the streaming platforms. Really like that song. Really cool song. It makes me happy, makes me gives me energy. So I really like it when it plays at the beginning of the stream. If you're wondering, this is the soundtrack from a game called Hardbound by Pirate Software. So you should go check out the game, go check out the soundtrack and everything, and also their very cool YouTube and Twitch channel. So yeah, this is what I'm talking about. This is gonna work as I want now. I shouldn't be using two textures when I in places where they aren't necessary. So I'm just fixing it up that here. Okay, so we're set. We're set. This should now work as I wanted. Like 2 days ago, I didn't stream yesterday. Sorry for that. I had a bit of connection issues to the internet, but I'm back today. We're gonna be streaming a bit more than the day before yesterday and the other day. So this is just the third day that I'm streaming game development with Unreal Engine. So yeah, really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. Really appreciate it if you follow me on any social media. So I'm gonna export the base. Okay, so let's get back here. And now I'm just gonna delete this one, delete this one, and this one. I will not be needing all of those anymore because I'm just gonna use one for all of them. So yeah, this is the one. So as I've said before on the previous streams, if you're trying to make something alike in Unreal Engine, like what I'm doing, if you're using this kind of pixel art textures, remember that you gotta change the texture group or the MIPGen settings. I prefer to change the texture group to 2D pixels unfiltered. So there's a lot of filters and ways of importing or using textures in Unreal Engine, and the right way for 2D pixels is this one, unfiltered, and this is standard for any other engine. Also, I've used Unity before and this was the same. You had to set up the textures as unfiltered. So yeah, I'm gonna save up that one. And oh, let me see, does this work? We'll see. Math, got a structure 2. Okay, so now we're gonna see if this works. No, this doesn't, or I think this isn't the right mesh. I should be using the right mesh from the Yeah, that's the one. But now I gotta fix the other part because I'm currently using. Yeah, gotta fix the upper part of it. Because I'm using, see here in this side of the pagoda, I'm using some tiles from another tile set, so that gives me the same problem that I had. So I'm gonna go and fix it. I'm gonna delete all of this. Yeah. So if you're watching, let me know. Let me know if you're watching. Hit me up with a comment. Hit me up with a like. Or if you don't like the stream or you don't like the game, you have any feedback related to the development of the game, really open to that also. Okay. Yeah, that's it. So today I'm gonna be working afterwards, after I finish this, because this is bothering me. Yeah, seeing these pagodas on the way that I don't want them to look was bothering me, and I thought I had fixed them, but I really didn't. Yeah, I made the same error that I did before. I'm trying to fix them before I go today into building any other thing. So yeah, I'm gonna use this one for the upper part. So today I want to work on a kind of companion. As you've already seen on many RPGs, like the main player, the main hero, has a kind of companion. So what am I talking about? Like in Zelda, there's the fairies, or I had just been playing Zelda. Is this A Link Between Worlds? Yeah, I think so. It's the one for Nintendo Switch. I had been playing that, and there's an owl. I think it's an owl. Nah, I think it's a bit of an. I think it's an owl or an eagle, but it's a bird. Yeah, and this bird comes to you on important moments within the game and gives you advice of where you should go or what is happening. So yeah, I wanna make some kind of companion that gives advice to the player today. And it should appear in some places. It will not be following the player everywhere. So yeah, that's the way that I want to build it. It should be like an AI companion. Yeah, like I don't know, like a hologram. Yeah, maybe like a bit of a holographic companion. I don't know. I will say that. Oh, hi Raccoon. Nice to meet you too. Thanks for watching. Oh, very happy that you're watching and using the Japanese subtitles. Yeah, I've been meaning to see if anyone from Japan. I've got many Japanese friends on Twitter, on X, but I hadn't received any Japanese watchers on YouTube. So I'm very happy that you're watching and the Japanese subtitles are working for you. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I'm just taking my time here. I'm gonna fix this very quickly. Okay, so there it is. This is what we needed. And let's bring up the roof back. and yeah, this should work now as intended. So yeah, let's go and fix this. So let me just go and clean up the folder, because I had been exporting some stuff in a very disorganized manner. So yeah, this is a mess. This is a real mess. I should clean all of this. I'm gonna delete all of this, and I'm gonna re-export everything. Export scene. Yeah, I would say it's the scene. Text Pagoda 2. I'm gonna rename this one to OBJ. That's the name that I'm using always for exporting models. And let's get back into Unreal Engine, and I'm just gonna delete all of this. Yeah, I'm gonna start from scratch. Okay, so there it is. Now I can import it again. Okay, where was it? Okay, so now, so where's the did this export as one whole model? Yeah, it exported as one whole model. No, I don't want to export this as one whole model. I'm gonna do that again. Do that again. Export. This is the. Let me just delete the tile sets that I'm not gonna be using, because they all export and I really don't need them. I'm gonna remove this tile set. I'm gonna remove this tile set. I'm gonna remove this tile set. I'm going to remove this tile set. So I should only have 2 tile sets. Okay, now this should be working as intended. So first I'm gonna export the roof. Pagoda roof. Oh, so our friend Raccoon is asking if what software, what program am I using for 3D modeling? This is called Crocodile 3D. I will write the name on the chat on YouTube. So the comment is on YouTube. So the software is named Crocodile 3D, the one that I'm using from modeling. And just to give a bit of context, this is a 3D modeling suite. I'm gonna show you up here, in which you can model 3D stuff with tiles, with pixel art. So you use the tile. See, I can select anything here, and then I can easily start modeling. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. So yeah, pretty cool question. Thanks for asking which software is this. So yeah, you can just select any tile here in your tile set, and then you can start modeling. See, you can do anything you want with this. And when you export the model, you don't have to manage any kind of UVs or anything related to that. The model just works with the texture. You're just gonna apply it, as I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so I'm gonna do that right now. Let me just delete all of this. And I just exported the roof. No, I didn't export the roof. I'm gonna export the roof right now. Let me see. Okay, this is going to be Pagoda Roof 2. There it is. And this is going to be Pagoda Base 2. Okay, so I hope this does what I want to do. Oh, yeah, it's very convenient, Raccoon. So hi, Abdul Rahman. Hi, this is our friend Programmer and Best from Twitch, which is also on YouTube too. So thanks for watching, thanks for coming back. So our friend Raccoon was saying what a convenience to model 3D stuff, low poly stuff with the tile sets. Yeah, it's very convenient because you don't have to be setting up any textures and anything. You just apply them to the models, and it's very easy, very fast, as I'm gonna do here. So what's happening here? Why am I not getting the textures? Let me let me just see what's happening here. Gonna let me see. I'm gonna export the roof now. This should work now. Yeah, I hope this should work now. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, so now this is gonna work as intended. Yeah, Abdul Rahman. Yeah, I saw your picture on my email, and then I gave you a response. I sent you an email and asked you for some questions. So just look for the email and hit me up with the response, so I can have a bit of more context of how can I help you. So yeah, I saw them. It looks really nice. Gives a really nice atmosphere of the game, of the story that you want to tell. But yeah, after the stream, we can talk through Discord if you need any help regarding that matter. So now this should be working as intended. What I want. Wow. I don't know what's happening here, people. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I deleted the previous tile set. Yeah, I shouldn't have done that. Shouldn't have done that. So now, yeah, what is missing now, as you can see on Unreal Engine, because this is the thing about Crocodile. You gotta be careful with some stuff, because if you delete the tiles are the same as the mesh. So if I deleted a tile set, so I deleted some faces from the mesh, and I'm just remembering that I was using this lower part of this is like some wood from the other tile set that I deleted. So now I cannot see that mesh, those faces here. So I should go back and fix that. Yeah, this is too messy. So sorry for taking too long on this. This is lame. This is lame. Sorry for taking too long on this model. So I'm just gonna start up again. So yeah, this is what I'm talking about. This part should be... How did I do this? Sometimes I can't remember how I model some stuff here in Crocodile. Let me see if I can... yeah. I remember now. Yeah, so I'm gonna fix all of the model again. This is gonna take a bit of time. Yeah. So this is the thing. This is what happens when you do things in a disorganized manner. I have to pay my mistakes here. I should have modeled this structure with just one tile set, not two tile sets. Because yeah, it makes it harder to apply the textures, and sometimes they don't work as intended if you're using two tile sets. So I'm gonna delete everything here, and I'm gonna use the other tile set. Wow, those are a lot of faces which I have to fix. So I'm just gonna delete everything. I'm gonna delete everything here. I think that if this is taking too long, yeah, I'm up to 34 minutes on the stream. I think if this is taking too long, I will just go and fix it later. Okay, I'm just gonna give just a couple more minutes to this model, and I will fix it off stream. Yeah, I should fix it off stream. This is taking too long and may get a bit boring, so yeah, it would be better if I do this off stream, but just give me a couple minutes. I just wanna see what's happening here. Why did I build this model in the incorrect way? So yeah, that's it. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna do this later. I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna come back to it later. I'm gonna start working on what I said that I wanted to work. So imagine here that we get off the train, and just as we get off the train, we have some kind of... we get some kind of... I don't know, some kind of a companion, AI companion appearing here. So we'll figure out how to build it. So we get off the train. There it is. We get off the train, and just as I walk through here, boom, I stop there, and this character stops me, and we start having a conversation. Okay, so we'll try and see how that would work. Maybe this character comes down flying, or maybe just appears like a bit of a holograph. So yeah, let's try that. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. So characters, NPCs, no. Oh. So yeah, I've got this character. I'm gonna change definitely gonna change the the character looks, yeah, the model, the pixel art model, into something that looks a bit more maybe robotic. Yeah, maybe not. We'll see. But yeah, let me change this one. BP AI. So this should be like an AI, right? Because we're in the future. We just came from a space mission, so we should have an AI that helps us and tells us where to go or what's happening on the story of the game, just to give us some context of whichever thing is happening. So I'm gonna fire up this blueprint. I'm gonna explain how this blueprint is working, what happens with this blueprint currently. Let me just, I really don't, I'm gonna stop, delete that one. I'm gonna stop that one. Okay, so right now, if we have an unplayable character here on Unreal Memory, on Spaceman Memories, Unreal Memories, what I'm talking about. I'm mixing the. Also, our friend Abdul Rahman is asking how many different NPCs do I have. I've been working, I would say that I've been working with adding the NPCs which are not enemies, the ones that we can only interact with. Oh, thanks Raccoon. Thanks for your comment. Really appreciate that you find the game, the work amazing. So answering the question of our friend Abdul Rahman, I'd say that at the moment I've been working on like 40 enemies, and for this kind of characters, the ones that aren't enemies, that okay, just Abdul. Yeah, okay. I will say just Abdul. So I've been working for with like 20 of these characters, the ones that aren't enemies. I will be showing them tomorrow. I will be showing also some enemies tomorrow as I work on the combat system, okay? And I want to show a bit of the puzzles today, of the puzzle system that I've been building. So yeah, just stay for the stream if you want to see more of the game. So yeah, this one I'm just using it as a placeholder. This is the one that I've been using as a placeholder. I haven't brought many of these characters into the engine. I've been working on the pixel art for them. So right now I've only been adding placeholders for this type of character. So we've got this character, and when we get close to it, we get that interaction button, and when I hit the interaction button, oh no, gotta fix that. So that's a boxy. I'm gonna explain what is happening there. So when I click this one to interact with it, the camera should change into the interaction camera, the one for the conversation. So if I do that, yeah, the camera changes, but it goes to another camera, another camera that isn't the one that I should be using. So yeah, this should only be place. I'm gonna fix that. So I'm gonna explain, if you have used Unreal Engine or Blueprints. I'm gonna, yeah, Camera Kun. Yeah, Raccoon. Yeah, so what was I talking about? I just forgot. Yeah, I'm gonna explain how the NPCs interactions work. So yeah, our friend Raccoon is having a lot of fun. Really appreciate that you're having a lot of fun on the stream. And what was I gonna show? Yeah, yeah, I was gonna fix up the camera. So let me just see here. Yeah, this is what we need. Okay. So what happened here? Is this set up correctly? Okay, this is AI friend. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so I had to change the class. Oh, what's happening now? Okay. Yeah, there it is. So I changed the class. Can I compile now? Yes, I can compile now. So I changed the class of the variable. So yeah, now this should be working. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so now the camera should work as intended. So when I get close to an NPC here on Spaceman Memories, I get close to it. We get the interaction button there on the top. We interact, and the camera gets closer, and we can have the conversation with the NPC. So yeah, there it is. We end the conversation, and the camera gets back to the player camera. So that's how interactions will work. So what I want to build is like this AI companion that helps me, but I want to find out. I really want to figure out how this AI companion will appear here. Thanks, Raccoon. Really happy that you like it. Okay, so how should I approach this? Let me just look. This just going to be a placeholder. Whatever that I'm gonna do here is going to be a placeholder, because sphere, pixel art, this is going to be just a placeholder. Whichever thing that I'm doing here is just to see how this should or will work. So yeah, the companion should be a sphere, right? Like a floating orb. Maybe something like this. Or let's see, AI companions. Sphere. I'm just trying to find some references. Yeah, it should be like a floating robot, right? Like this one. Yeah, floating thing. Or oh, I saw something that I liked. Where is it? Where is it? Oh yeah, I like this design. I should make this design. Okay, I'm gonna make this design. Okay, so our friend Abdul has to go. Thanks, Abdul, for hanging out. I will check out the email response that you give me. Have a great day. Bye bye. Okay, so yeah, I like this. We'll see if this works in pixel art, but yeah, whatever. Let's just try it. So which size should it be? So the player is, let me see, what is the size of the player? I can't remember the size of the player. So the player size is shouldn't be too big or too small for the player. The player is 16 by 24 pixels. So let's say that this orb is like half 24, maybe 20 pixels. Yeah, 20 by 20. Let's see, 20 by 20 pixels. We'll see if this works as intended. So, nah, this is too big. I'd say this is, or maybe not, right? We'll see, we'll see. We'll see how it looks. So, let me just... Yeah, something like that. So this is black. Maybe I'm not gonna use black. Or maybe I will. I don't know. I'm gonna add a stroke here. I'm gonna do it by hand. Okay. No worries. So if you're watching, thanks for watching. Really happy that you're watching. Let me know, hit me up with a comment. Please subscribe to whichever channel that you're watching. If you're on YouTube, on Twitch, on Kick, on Twitter, on X. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following. Really happy that you're here. I really enjoy sharing my process, sharing my work. So maybe someone else feels compelled or inspired to also make their own 2.5D game on Unreal Engine, I would be really happy if anyone did that because of my streams. And how are the eyes? Yeah, the eyes are blue, right? Maybe this light blue. We'll see if this works. Maybe it isn't that. Yeah, I don't like the colors. Now that I see it on pixel art, I don't like the colors. It doesn't look as friendly as I thought. Yeah, I think that what makes that one look friendly is like this thing in the middle, like that nose. Yeah, let's try other way of doing the eyes to make it look friendlier. Yeah, maybe something like that. I wanted to make something very simple. Nothing fancy for now. This is just a placeholder. Oh, so that one's looking nice, right? Maybe I'll add some highlights around here. Okay, so let's imagine that is a cool looking AI companion and not a mediocre one like the one I just made. This is just a placeholder. I'm not really good working with pixel art with the mouse. I work with a drawing tablet. So yeah, I don't I don't do cool stuff, good stuff when I'm working with the mouse in pixel art. It's easier for me working with the tablet, but I work on the other computer. That's where I have the tablet. So yeah, I will do that off stream. I will work on this AI companion, the final design. AI companion. We should name this AI companion. If you have any ideas how I should name it, yeah, I'm creating a cute pixel art robot. This is our friend Volta, right? Yeah, it's for now. I really don't like how it looks. No, this looks horrible. I should make something decent. This looks horrible. I'm gonna do something better here. Yeah, let's try and do something better. The black doesn't work. The color black doesn't work. I'm gonna fix it so we can add it as a companion to the player. Yeah, the black doesn't work. Let's look for another reference. Okay, I want to make something very simple. I'm gonna fix it later, as I said, on the drawing tablet, which is way easier, way better for me for pixel art. So yeah, thanks for watching. To our new friend Volta. Sorry that I can't. I'm not very good reading kanji, the Japanese characters. So yeah, sorry for that. I'm still learning, so that is not my forte. Thanks for watching. AI robot. Nah, should be a cute one. Yeah, something like this. I should use this shape. Oh, this one looks nice, right? Yeah, something like this. This is what we need. It's like a floating robot. Something like this is what we need. Yeah, I should make it white. I should make it a white robot. So I'm gonna change up all of this to white, and this is going to be white, and this is going to be, yeah, way better. But let's make it maybe that shape. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I gotta fix up some of these pixels here. Yeah, there it is. Does this shape work? Let me see if this shape works. No, it doesn't. This is the right shape that we need. So I'm gonna delete this one. So as I said before, I'm really slow with pixel art when I'm working with the mouse. But yeah, I really need to find out a setup so I can stream pixel art and have the two monitors with the drawing tablet. I will figure that out, and I will make just a pixel art streaming next week. I promise that I'm gonna do that. So yeah, this is like a white one, and maybe we can add some kind of shadows around here. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is looking way better than what we had before. Yeah, this is looking way better than what we had before. See, that's the head. Now we're talking. See, oh yeah, this is looking way better. I like this. Okay, so if you're just joining the stream, if you're watching, we're working currently in Sprite, but I'm building a game in Unreal Engine. I'm building a... Oh, thanks, Raccoon. Yeah, this looks way nicer, right, than the previous one. I'm building a game called Spaceman Memories here on Unreal Engine. This is a 2.5D RPG game based in Japan. So yeah, that's what I'm working on. I've been building this world, this green world, for 3 days now here on stream. I just started streaming recently, so if you're here, very glad that you're here, having lots of fun. And what I'm trying to do right now is like adding like an artificial intelligence companion to the player, to the spaceman, which will appear just around here when we get off the train. So I'm gonna press play again, so we get off the train and the AI companion appears and gives us some info of what we are going to encounter on this next world. Okay, so that's what I'm working on. So yeah, I'm doing the model. Yeah, this is not a 3D model, this is a sprite. I'm using sprites inside Unreal Engine, so if you're wondering, yes, it is possible to use sprites, to use 2D images as characters inside Unreal Engine with a plugin called, two plugins called Paper 2D and Paper ZD. So yeah, pretty cool, right? So yeah, this is looking decent. This is looking really decent. Should we add some hands? Let me see if the hands work. Yeah, maybe they do work. We'll see if this gray color works with the hands. Yeah, something like that, right? I'm gonna use some gray here. Not liking how this looks. But I'm just playing here. I'm just playing around. I'm just testing stuff to see what works and what doesn't. Okay, so let's imagine that this is our AI companion. This is a reference. I will fix it later. I will make it better later. But for now, this should work as for what we want. AI companion. This is going to be placeholder. AI. Okay, there it is. Let's go back. And now I'm gonna edit this blueprint. The blueprint. And let me find this one. Yeah, this is the one. I need to create a flipbook with this. I'm gonna import the... Maybe I should animate it a bit, right? Oh, thanks. Thanks for your comment, Volta. Really appreciate that you like the 2.5D scene. Really appreciate. Very happy that you say that. Thank you. Thank you very much. So you're from Japan, right? And our friend Raccoon is from Japan too, right? You're both from Japan. Let me know in the chat. So yeah, maybe I'm gonna animate this one. Yeah, just a very simple animation, like the head moving up and down. Okay, this is going to be a very simple animation. The head is just going to be floating. Yeah, so yeah, Raccoon is from Japan. Very happy that you're from Japan. I'm a big fan of Japan. I've been posting all of my stuff on Twitter, on X, in Japanese, and I really felt the support of the Japanese community. So yeah, really appreciate that you're here. Really appreciate that the subtitles are working for you. So yeah, really happy. Arigato, Raccoon. Arigato, Volta. Thanks. Okay. So there it is. This is what we need. So the animation would be something like this. Yeah, something very basic. Or maybe the hands should move, right? The hands should move also. Yeah, the hands should move also. To give the impression that it is floating. So this is very simple. I will fix this later. So yeah, there it is. Now we've got our animation. Yeah, that's the floating robot. Oh, thanks, Raccoon. Yeah, really happy that the subtitles work fine for you. Okay, we're gonna leave it there. I'm gonna make this better later. I'm gonna export the animation. Export the sprite sheet. Layout by rows. Yeah, by rows. Okay, so we're gonna bring this to Unreal Engine. So there it is. We bring this image to Unreal Engine. So this is a good opportunity to show how this is done, how you bring an image to the sprite sheet and turn it into an animation. Yeah, this is a bit of how you make, yes, Raccoon, this is a bit of how you make 2D pixel animation. That was very basic, but yeah, that is kind of the process. You go moving pixels in one frame and in the other until it starts making sense. So now I'm gonna change this to the pixels unfiltered, and then I'm gonna extract the sprites. So I'm gonna extract sprites. Yeah, this is the one. I really don't know why this. Oh, there it is. Grid. And this one should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, this is 8. Yeah, there it is. Now I can extract these sprites. Yeah, there they are. And now I select all of these sprites and I create what is called here in paper CD, paper 2D inside Unreal Engine. This is a flipbook. Okay, AI companion flipbook. Yeah, you select all of those and see, now we've got the animation. I should just go and fix all of these. I'm gonna fix the pixels per unit. Yeah, I'm using 0.2 pixels per unit for the pixel art assets here in Unreal Engine for my game. So this is AI friend and BP. No, this is FB AI companion, and there it is. See, now our floating AI companion is working, and it should appear now on the game. There it is, right? See, pretty cool. This is starting to make sense. So now I'm gonna find out which is the best way for this robot to appear. Okay, and disappear after we talk to it. And there it is. There's a robot. Maybe it's a bit too big for the player. I'm gonna change that size. Yeah, it's a bit too big. So let me select this. I'm gonna change the scale, yeah, to 0.7 maybe. Yeah, maybe 0.7. Let's see if that works. Let me see. We'll see if this works. Okay. Yeah, 0.7 is way better for our robot. But now, as you saw, as I moved this, I also should have to move this lower, so it looks as it should on this player, on this non-playable character. Sorry. And there it is. Yeah, there it is. So now let's work on the dialogues. Thanks, Raccoon. Really appreciate it. Okay, so let's work on the dialogues for this robot. So let's open up the event graph. And where are you? Where are you? Yeah, this is the one. Okay. So let me think. I'm just playing here, and I just want to find out what should this robot, the AI companion, should say to the player as we appear. If you have any ideas of what he or it should say, let me know in the chat. Yeah, it'd be really fun to get your ideas, your input. So yeah, maybe I do it in Japanese. The dialogue, yeah, I'll do it in Japanese today. Okay, I will be localizing this game both to Japanese, English, and Spanish. So yeah, no worries, this is all placeholder for now. But yeah, let's try the Japanese dialogue, and let me fire up. What should I be using? So yeah, let's try. So just yesterday I started to try and use the new artificial intelligence from Meta, from Facebook. Yeah, and I found it really cool and really fast. So yeah, let's try and use that one for the translation of the